lot of guys wanted to see Daddydirtbike and see his update on this. He's been working on it right here in front of the garage, but he's gonna pull it over there in the driveway so we get a better look at it. Got a lot done. All right, maybe we'll see you over there in the driveway. Here's something that's probably worth more than the whole bike. That's side cover in good shape. All right, let's go. Look, you got the vetter off. You got the wind jammer off here. He already had his other bike out. This thing was in worse shape than that when he got it. Couple warplanes, World War II planes. He lives right next to an airport here. Huh. All right, where were we? This here is his gold wing. Oh, look, he's got a gold wing jacket.
It was so close to
1,000. What year is this, buddy?
78.
78. Cleaned it up pretty good. Says he's got it running good too. Alright, let's go see what he did over here. Did you clean this out? Well, you drained it. He didn't clean it out, but he did drain it.
I don't know if she was going to turn.
Got a funny story about that.
So there was an SUV coming down.
He got the seat. He unlocked the seat. He ordered a new lock and everything.
Either he had her or I guess.
But this here comes with a kickstart. But it doesn't, it's not on there. You know, it's electric. And the Kickstarter, we thought it was going to be under the seat, but it wasn't. And when he got the seat open and everything, he was all upset. Because he looked on eBay, and a new Kickstarter was like $220, $225. Where's the Kickstarter, buddy? Go get it. So what happened is, he looked under the seat, and he couldn't find it, and he was heartbroken. So then when he's cleaning this out back here, this here had about 3 or 4 inches of water in it, and the bottom was his little Kickstarter. It's all rusted up, but at least you got it. Right, here he comes. Here he comes. Look at him. This was all on the back. Here's his Kickstarter. That should clean up nice. It works.
Yep.
And look, that's a Honda toolkit.
Yep. Everything was in the back.
How about that? Alright, Wheelie comes back and we'll see what he did to it. Alright, remember when we got this, the rear wheel was locked up? Tell them what was wrong with the rear wheel.
The kickstand's down. When the kickstand's down, some of it was in gear with the kickstand down. As soon as we put the kickstand up, put it neutral, rolled fine.
Huh. Who would have thought? You think you would have known that, you know, being a Honda guy, but, you know.
I don't have any other automatic.
Yeah, that's crazy. Where's the carburetors at?
Up over here.
These guys took them apart. You took them all apart?
Yep.
Come on back here, come on. Oh boy, what a mess.
All but the last one is just getting ready to put it back together.
You think you'll be able to get started? You gonna try and start it?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm game. Alright, so he's got these all ready to go.
Put this one back together. It'll take me about 10 minutes to put it back together and put them on there.
And then we're gonna be good to go. Then we'll ride, and I'm gonna cruise on it. Alright, we'll show you. We'll show you after it gets put back together. Alright. Here's the gas tank sitting over here. This thing is in excellent condition. I don't think there's a dent in it. I mean, other than the paint, excellent condition. Come on, Red King. But the inside. Turn the light on here. The inside spotless. Unbelievable. Just a tank alone's worth a fortune. Yeah, I hope it gets us running. You know, it don't have a title, so he's going to try and get a title for it. But this is a very limited edition. I think it was only 2 years, and I think they only made 8,000 of them, which is low. So I'd love to see him get it running and get a title for it.
Are we ready?
All right, we got the carburetors back on. A little tough because all the stuff was hard. I had to heat it up and soften everything. But we got an IV going to it here because we have the gas tank off, so we don't have no leaks. We had a small leak, but we took care of that. It was just a line. So, all right, we don't know if it's going to start or not. We don't even know if the starter works. 4 carburetors. All right, that's a good sign. That's a real good sign.
I hear spark. I hear. Anybody smell any gas?
No? Did anybody ever check for spark?
No.
Let's diagnose this and then we'll try it again. No editing here. Alright, we didn't have a spark, so Daddydirtbike worked on this. We finally got a spark. Had to take his throttle apart there. I think it might have had a short out here in the kill switch, so give it a rip. Nothing. Oh, he wants to go. You're burning something because it's smoking out the exhaust. There it goes, I hear it. Rear wheel's turning, so your transmission's working.
See if this has anything to do with it.
It wants to go, buddy. There we go. He had it run on something. One carburetor or one cylinder or something. Huh.
That one's not fire. That one's not. That one is.
Oh yeah.
These two aren't.
Them two are cold? Yeah, it was on one cylinder. The cylinder that looks the worst. This one here must never been working because it's so clean. This one here, the one that's all rusted up. It's the only one that was hitting. Oh boy, that could be anything. All right, we're gonna look it over a little more and then we'll turn these back on. But it's promising. Remember, this thing's been sitting. We don't know how long, out in the weather. Up to 4 foot of weeds around it. So, all right, we're gonna look it over. All right, there we go. Them two are hot. And one of them, the outside one, is hot. So I think we may have it run on 3 cylinders right now. Could be something as simple as spark plugs. You know, because he's got the original plugs in there. Wow. For someone who hadn't been tuned up and hasn't run in decades.
Outside are firing.
Really? Two outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. That one inside one is losing. Huh. They got to run on 2 cylinders. Could be anything. Could be spark plug. Could be one of the coils because it's got 2 coils. And You think at it, the one coil runs the outside and one coil runs the inside? Okay. Could be just a dirty wire. We don't know, but
I think it's still the points.
you think so?
I think it's still points.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's another thing too. You might only have one set of points working. He got a big, wide crackling spark out of the one side, but nothing out of the other, so. I wouldn't be surprised if it's just a dirty wire somewhere. Because the points look like they're in pretty good shape.
How about the condenser?
You only got one condenser on there? Two, okay. Yeah. Oh well. Well, we're going to leave it at that. And next time we see him, he'll probably have the gas tank on, and he'll probably be riding this thing around. So maybe next time we see him, it'll be up and around.
That's right.
We got to get that seat. Make that look good.
I'll bring that seat over.
Yeah, well, don't bring it over too soon. Alright, we're going to leave him here and let him mess with this. Say goodbye to your fans, buddy.
Yeah.
There you go. Daddy Dirtbike. In action. We usually don't see him in action. We usually see him in a chair. Alright, see you guys in the next one.